you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2026 in Rocket League, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game smoothly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rocket League server status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Rocket League completely and restart it. This can help clear temporary glitches that may be causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on Steam or Epic Games, use the platform's feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the previous steps work, uninstall Rocket League and then reinstall it. This can resolve any deep-rooted issues that might be causing the matchmaking error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Matchmaking Error 2026 and enjoy playing Rocket League again. Good luck!